Hey, what's up people, and welcome to another Microsoft Word 2019 tutorial. This is lesson 17, and in this lesson we are going to learn how we can edit our documents using our toolbars in the ribbon. To do so, in this lesson we are going to use Home menu and Clipboard group. The first command is cut. In order to use this command or feature, first you need to select a text or picture or an object in your text. Well, since we have not learned how to place a media or object in our document, we are just going to focus on text. This command works the same for any object in Microsoft Word, including text, pictures, or media. Okay. Select the text, and now let's click on cut icon. By doing so, the text disappears and saves into the clipboard memory. Now you can use paste to place it back wherever you want. Let's click on paste. Boom, it's back. The next command that we're going to talk about is copy. As the name suggests, it copies the object you have selected. So you can make a copy of any object, media, picture in your document by using this command. Point to remember is that using copy won't make any changes to what you've copied. Another command we have here is paste. This command is a completion command for cut or paste. So before using paste, you should cut or copy something. An object, by something I mean an object, text, media, or picture. Then imagine we want to place what we have copied into our clipboard memory somewhere else in the document. So we can scroll down, place the insertion point where you want, and click on paste icon. As you can see, what you copied appears where we pasted it, where your insertion point was. You see this tiny icon that appeared after we pasted our text? This is called paste option. Let's click on it. The menu opens and there are 4 commands in it. You can also press Ctrl key on your keyboard to open this as well. Anyway, this box is pretty cool. The first one, keep source formatting. It uses the format of where you copied it from. Second option, merge formatting. It uses the format of the destination for what you copied. Third one, that is introduced in Microsoft Word 2019 is picture. By clicking on the text we copied, it becomes a picture and its format cannot be changed anymore, right? The text changed to picture. Last but not least, keep text only. It won't use any specific formats for the text, so just like paste the text you copied without any format. Last point for today is this. You can click on set paste option and go to the setting and change the paste options you have here. Okay, this is the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out the next lesson, it's on the right hand side and the previous lesson on the left. Please make sure you subscribe and hit the like button so you'll be notified as soon as we drop a new video, and also because it helps our channel a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, peace.